All right, Unit 9, Section 3, area formulas for triangles and quadrilaterals. So we've done all of this in past units, so this video is just going to be to basically fill in the formulas so you have something for your notes. The homework is going to be applying these formulas to different shapes. So starting with the triangle, the area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height, or if you prefer, it doesn't really matter. Base times height divided by 2. Like I said, doesn't matter. The area for a rectangle is length times width, and then if you want to put a square, I mean, the square is the same thing, but we call it, we would just say it's our sides squared because there is no length and width sides of a square. They're just sides because they're all the same. A parallelogram, very similar to a triangle, but we don't have the 1/2 part. We just have base times height. So if you're looking at a parallelogram, well, the height would be the vertical distance down to the bottom. So sometimes you're given that vertical distance, sometimes you're going to have to find it. A trapezoid, probably the most work required here. Area equals 1/2, and then we're going to take base 1 plus base 2 times our height. So if we're drawing our trapezoid, our height again is that vertical distance. I'll call the top base 1, the bottom base 2 would be the whole distance here. That's the key. And then last but not least, a rhombus is 1/2. We go D1 times D2. Those D's are the diagonals for a rhombus, and you could also use this for a square and a kite. But if I do my best to draw an actual rhombus here, not just a parallelogram, we'll just assume that all those sides are the same. If I take diagonal 1 times diagonal 2 and divide it by 2 or multiply it by 1/2, however you want to look at it, I will have the area of a rhombus. Or like I said, it's another way to find the area of a square and then a kite. So your formula sheet, we will be filling out here as we go because that's what this whole unit's on. But here's what we have so far: trapezoid, kite, rhombus. I don't know why the rest aren't on there. Triangle, parallelogram, rectangle, and so on. And then soon we're going to get into regular polygons, which is going to require probably the most amount of work. But that is it.